Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie cold coffee. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of strong, chilled coffee, 1/2 cup of your favorite milk, and 1 cup of ice. Don't forget your sweetener, perhaps 2 tablespoons of sugar or maple syrup, and any optional flavorings like a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra touch. Now, let's get blending for that perfect, creamy texture. Start by pouring your chilled coffee, milk, and sweetener into the blender. Next, add your ice cubes and any solid additions like cocoa powder. Begin blending on a low speed for about 10 seconds, then increase to high for another 30 to 45 seconds until completely smooth and frothy. This ensures everything is perfectly incorporated. The beauty of a cold coffee smoothie is its versatility. Feel free to customize it to your taste. For an extra boost, add 1 scoop of protein powder. You can also swap regular milk for plant-based options like almond, soy, or oat milk. A tablespoon of peanut butter or a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon can also introduce delightful new flavors and textures. Get creative. Once your cold coffee smoothie reaches that ideal consistency, it's time to serve and enjoy. Carefully pour your delicious creation into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, consider garnishing it with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of caramel sauce. Remember to serve it immediately to savor its refreshing chill and perfect texture. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.